Hi everyone, here this is my second video that I continue from the first video that I made for changing the front strut. Right now I cannot install a front strut because the car got accident like few days ago. So you see the low control arm completely bent. So right now I'm going to change the low control arm too. Then I go back to install the front strut for you guys to see it. Okay, let's start it. Yeah, the first you need to remove the sway bar link, but the sway bar link already broken, so you don't need to remove right now. So just remove the sway bar. They have number 14mm both sides. Just remove it. The bolt, the sway bar gonna be down, so you get more room to work on it. Okay, let me start it, guys. So we get room right now, and you see number 17mm in here, and the control arm bushing number 17. The low control arm backward is number 14mm. Okay, so right now we just remove the ball joint from the control arm. It low ball joint, backward, control arm and forward already unscrewed, so ready to come out. Okay, I get a new control arm. Let me install it. Always put the front one first. There you go. So let me move to the side a little bit. Just install the low control arm, front low control arm bolt. Backward low control. This one not lined up yet, so okay, let me twist it. Okay, so let me pull this one a little bit. Let me do a control push. It's not straight up yet. A little bit more. Not too much. Almost done. Okay. You can install the number 14mm bolt. in now, so it's time to install the lower washer. Same, just put a number 17. Just want to use number 17 millimeter.